Well, hello and welcome to Edison Vintage. It's been a long time between videos, but today we're just going to do a very quick one on an item we've had for a while, but we've restocked. Stock's coming in soon. Our large 10-inch waterproof, IP-rated ship light. So this is designed for cargo holds in onboard ships, and so it's quite robust. It's got glass for splash proof. It's got a cage to stop the glass getting broken, and it's also got these little chains up here which are quite interesting. They're not really holding any weight, but they are there to stop things from hitting the top when they fall off. Say for instance on board a ship where things come off the top of a deck or whatever, they land on the top of the light. They might pull the light out of the socket or whatever it is. So they have these just to deflect a little bit. So, but for us, for use in domestic situations, just really decorative. So what I thought I'd do is explain what the parts are that you get when you order this. So you can order it for a pipe of any length, so you can hang it from a ceiling of any height. But you'll also get, down here, you get the top part, which is the ceiling plate. Now this comes in two pieces. It's got a back plate which you'll connect to the ceiling. You'll screw this to the ceiling, but this also connects to the pipe which is at the top of the fitting, which will give you a secure fix to the wall, to the ceiling. Now, the other thing you've got to do is you've got to work out how to make this work. So I'll explain how to assemble it. So essentially it's really just three parts. There is a socket which you probably could put a light globe in before you attach the glass. But with this attached to the ceiling, you then need to attach the cage and the glass. So obviously you could put the glass into the cage component, which comes separate. I'm going to try and do that with one hand. Just point down there. So you will put the glass in the cage. There is a rubber seal inside which will hold that firm. There's also, if you're using this outside, which is not common, there is another rubber that we supply that goes along the glass edge to form a waterproof seal. But for internal uses, you don't really need that. So then you put the globe in and you will then attach the clamps, which you need a little bit of work to get on. Oops. One at a time, just do them up one at a time loosely. Anyway, you get the drift. It's very hard to do with one hand, but you can do it with two people. So anyway, you just do those up and that'll hold the weight. Again, that rubber seal will stop that clanking, but it's not always essential to have that. But once you've got that up and the cage on and the globe in, you're right to go. So I thought I would explain also the globes that we specify for this. On the website you'll see that this globe, the C110 10 watt LED, is the one that we specify. Now this is a 2200K warm color temperature globe, but it is very bright. It's dimmable, so you could turn it down, but what we're going to do now is we're going to get our assistant here to turn this on and to show you just how bright the 10 watt globe is. She's not being very attentive, but so we'll turn this on and we'll see how bright it is. Oh, wrong globe. Oh, that's it. So it's a bit bright for the video, but it's not too bright. You just barely look at it, it's a little bit bright. But if you need a lot of light, this is a good one to start with. It's also a traditional shape. You can turn that off again now. It's a traditional shape for a vintage sort of industrial fitting, which is perfect. So anyway, there you have it. Stocks are coming in very soon. These have been around for a little while. They vary a little bit in quality. They vary a little bit in how mucked around they are, how dented, scratched, polished. Sometimes the materials can vary a bit, but essentially they're the same size that we've always had. So if you're after one, keep an eye on the website. That's edisonlightglobes.com. and you'll be able to find these for sale both in North America and on our international website. So book yours now. If you've been waiting for a while, these are in stock soon. But that's the end of our video, so thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, subscribe and thumbs up, and let us know. We haven't done a video for quite a while, so let us know if you want to see more videos like this, or you want to have more videos like we've done before. Let us know. Leave a comment and we'll get back to you. But bye for now. Cheers.